The mountain looks very tall today. Are you ready to climb it?
Yes, Mom, but I hope there are no scary monkeys again.
Bring your water bottle carefully this time.
I will try, but my backpack feels heavier than a rock.
Why are you walking so slowly?
Because my legs are still sleeping.
Look at those beautiful flowers near the trail.
Wow, they are prettier than the flowers in our garden.
Be careful with the mud here.
Too late, Mom. My shoe is already stuck.
Did you hear that strange sound?
Yes! I think the mountain is hungry.
That is only the wind in the trees.
Oh, good, because I did not bring food for the mountain.
Let's take a short break on this big rock.
Great idea. My feet are asking for a vacation.
Why are you laughing so loudly?
That squirrel looks like Grandpa with a tiny tail.
Do not run too fast on the trail.
I am not running, Mom. I am mountain racing.
Look at the clouds above us.
One cloud looks like a giant potato.
We should take a family photo here.
Wait, my hair looks like a crazy bird nest.
That's okay, sweetie. You look beautiful.
Okay, but just 1 second.
Did you pack the sandwiches?
Yes, but I accidentally sat on them.
These sandwiches look very flat now.
Flat sandwiches still taste delicious.
Why are you carrying that big stick?
It is my magic climbing sword.
Please do not wave it near my face.
Sorry, brave mountain queen.
I think we are halfway to the top now.
Really? My legs thought we climbed the whole world already.
Listen to the birds singing in the trees.
They sound happier than me right now.
Do you want some fruit?
Yes, but only if the banana is not squished like the sandwiches.
There is a butterfly on your hat.
Maybe it thinks I am a flower.
Careful, the path is getting narrow here.
If I fall, please catch me before the bushes do.
Why are your hands so dirty?
I touched a tree because I thought it was smooth.
Was it smooth?
No, now my hand smells like old wood.
Look at that little dog climbing with its owner.
Even the dog looks less tired than me.
We are finally at the top of the hill.
Amazing! Now can we take the easy way down?
Why are you looking at the map upside down?
I wanted the mountain to look easier.
I think we missed the correct trail.
Great, now we are mountain explorers.
Do you hear water nearby?
Yes, maybe there is a secret waterfall.
That is just my water bottle leaking.
Oh, your backpack is crying.
Please stop jumping on every rock.
But the rocks are my mountain trampoline.
It's not safe. Please be careful.
Whee! I can do it!
Watch out for the low branch.
Too late. The tree just brushed my hair.
Why are you smiling like that?
Because I found a funny-shaped mushroom.
Do not touch strange mushrooms.
Don't worry, Mom. I only talk to it.
Are you tired yet?
Only my knees, my feet, and my back.
Look at this beautiful view behind us.
Wow, the houses look like tiny toy blocks.
I packed cookies for our snack break.
Finally, the best part of hiking.
Why did you eat 3 cookies already?
My stomach is climbing too.
Your face is very red now. That means I am becoming a strong mountain warrior. Please drink more water.
I would, but I am saving space for cookies.
All right, sweetie. Be careful near that puddle.
Oops. My socks are swimming now.
Your shoes make funny sounds when you walk.
Listen carefully. They are singing sad songs.
Why are you carrying so many little rocks?
They are my mountain treasures.
Your backpack must weigh a lot now.
Maybe that is why I walk like a turtle.
Look, a bird is following us.
I think it wants one of our cookies.
We should sit under this tree for a minute.
Good idea. My legs need a meeting break.
Why are there leaves in your hair?
The mountain gave me a nature haircut.
Do you still want to climb higher?
Yes, but can the mountain become shorter first?
We'll get there together. I brought a flashlight just in case.
Are we climbing a mountain or exploring a cave?
Careful, the ground is slippery here.
Whoa! My feet are dancing by themselves.
Why are you walking like a robot now?
Because my legs forgot how to bend.
Look at the sunset over the mountain. Wow, the sky looks like orange juice. Did you enjoy our hiking trip today?
Yes, even the muddy parts were funny.
I think you became stronger today.
Really? Tomorrow I might lift the sofa.
Your shoes are completely dirty now.
They climbed a mountain, Mom. They are heroes.
Why are you laughing again? There is a leaf stuck on your backpack.
Oh no, how long has it been there? Since you walked into that tree branch.
Thank you for not telling me earlier.
I wanted the leaf to enjoy the hike too.
I can hear your stomach growling.
It is asking for pizza very loudly.
We still have some fruit left.
My stomach said, no more healthy snacks.
Look, we are finally back near our house.
Home never looked so beautiful before.
Do your legs still hurt?
Yes, but my heart feels happy.
That is a very sweet thing to say.
I learned it from you, Mom.
Next weekend, we can try another trail.
Can the next trail have fewer hills?
Maybe we can bring Dad next time.
Good idea. He can carry the heavy backpack.
You only carried snacks today. Snacks are very important hiking tools. Did you lose one of your socks?
Oh no! I think the mountain kept it.
Maybe a squirrel needed warm socks.
Then I hope it says thank you.
Your hair still has tiny leaves inside it.
Nature wanted me to look stylish.
What was the funniest part today?
When you almost slipped near the puddle.
I did not almost slip.
Mom, your arms were flying everywhere.
Please do not tell Dad about that moment.
I already recorded it in my memory forever.
Even after all the climbing, you still have energy.
That is because I ate extra cookies.
I am proud of you for finishing the hike.
I am proud of myself too, but mostly proud of my feet.
So, are you ready for another mountain adventure someday?
Yes, Mom, but next time let's bring more cookies and fewer hills.
Thank you for watching our English learning adventure. We hope you learned something fun today.
Yes, don't forget to watch the next video.
See you soon for more adventures.